Get those quick, the wrenches in the back of this guy's truck. Yeah, they're big, you'll see them. Red, hell yeah. Gordo wants red and green, I guarantee you.
No, I didn't get him one.
I'm gonna throw a fucking burrito. Come on, dude. Oh, yes. Yes. That's a good one. That back one. Boom.
Yeah, that's the first thing they do. When you fight a big guy, and like NFL, what's the first thing? Oh, my fucking knee, my knee. That's my fucking elbow. Bam! 2, 3 of my big old elbows, you're done. You're gonna go to yeah. Okay, no cramp, and then he's can that stuff down, take it off or no?
Hold that, bro, right there.
Yeah, but don't put it in. They'll take your finger, so keep your finger off.
Recuérdame, mijo. Come on.